Okay, folks, so this is our Cup of Jeans lab. It is 2H, Cup of Jeans. What you're going to be doing, first off, is you need to do this with a partner. So you have one cup and your partner has a cup, and you're each going to pick jeans to go with it. Now, our jeans are going to be represented by candies. So I'm just going to go ahead and do mine first. Our first shape is this. This is a Mike and Ike, so I'm going to label it. And now I'm going to pick for my parent one. So I'm going to label my cup parent one. My partner is going to label their cup parent two. There we go. And now you are going to, without looking, reach into the collection that I have, the cups of jeans, and you're going to pick two of everything. So I'm going to reach in and I'm going to pick two things. I'm not going to look at what they are, I'm just picking. So two things, two things, two things, and two things. So I've got, that's parent one. So let's see what I've got. I have two red gobstoppers. I got an orange and a yellow. I got a red and a pink and two oranges. Okay, so let's go ahead. Are those in order? They are in order. So now we're going to color in our options here for parent one because that's what I just drew. Pink and one's red. You can see there's a difference here. There's also a difference here. So these go back into my parent one here. Shake them up, and now I'm down to the first step. So I'm shaking them up, and now I'm going to do offspring one. I'm going to randomly pick one of each shape. So that's the first shape I picked. Second, I need round. There's your round. Nope. I already picked a gobstopper, so I'm putting it back. There's an M&M, and I need one of the sprees. There we go. There's a spree. So that is what's going into offspring one right here. So again, I'm going to color them in. Okay, so now I have my first thing for offspring one. It says that's the color and the shapes on the top row. For offspring one, return the objects to the parent one cup. Repeat step A with parent two. So parent two is going to go get their jeans. They're going to color, I'm going to color in whatever parent two had. See, they put them in dashed lines because those are the ones you don't have. So parent two, there's mine go on their parent two. You get the idea? So my partner has already filled this in with their cup, and now they're going to fill in my set with what I have, right? So we get parent one, parent two, and we're going to go through offspring 3 and 4, do the same thing. You pick one at a time. When you're all done with everything and you've answered all of the questions, you've done all of the crosses, then you can eat your candy, but you can't eat it before then. Because if you do, then you won't have enough to do the lab. So you go ahead and have parent two now pick two of everything and color it in. Whoops, I need the second one. And there we go. So parent two has now picked, and so this is what they have. So again, let's see, we have quite a bit of orange here. Okay, so those go back in. They get mixed around. And for there, to put theirs for offspring 1, there's an M&M, a Spree, I already picked a Spree, put it back. There's one of those. That, and what am I missing? The Gobstopper. I don't have a Gobstopper yet. All right, so there's a Gobstopper. Okay, so then they can go through and say, okay, great. They're coloring in their Gobstoppers now that they got. So now you can see what offspring 1 is going to end up like, right? And then we talk about what those mean when we get to the other side. So you've got to go ahead and do all 4 offspring. And then, okay, so you're going to go ahead and put your parent 1 and parent 2 candies back where they go. You're going to randomly pick 2 new sets for a new parent 1 and a new parent 2, which will now obviously be parent 3 and parent 4. You're going to then do those crosses 5, 6, 7, and 8 and answer all the questions at the bottom.